So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to source message on Instagram. So let's get started. So let's open it, and this is the home page of your Instagram account. Now you should have to tap on message box, which is available on the lower bottom corner of your screen. So tap on it, then tap on message which you or whose message you want to source, like this. Then tap on person's name, which is available on the top left corner of your screen. Then you can simply see the option of source, so tap on it. Then type a message like this. I'm typing only O, and tap on source icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side, so tap on it. Then you can see there is no result found here. If there is any message related O, then you can definitely found it. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.